Hogshead Channel TV come back at you. So, when I took the 74 out for a ride the other day, I was smelling gas. I wasn't really too sure if that's actually what it was or if it was just a rich exhaust. But come to find out, I actually have a leak in my gas line, and looking at the motor, we actually have gas that was actually everywhere up and down here on everywhere on the intake manifold and all that. And I actually have a rip right here down by this fitting. This side's fine, but this side is, because I guess it was bent a little bit too much right there, so stretched and ripped right there. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually just replace this. Well, I got you guys on the camera. I actually got my gimbal working right now, so let's see if we can get this all done and fast real quick. There shouldn't be no gas in there because it leaked out of there, so let's just do it real quick here. Change out this gas line, because you can already look at that. See, there's no gas in there. But yeah, see, it's all ripped right there. Keep it here on this side. But yeah, this thing's really bad. Damn. That's because I got a barb on there. But this is the crack right there, if you guys can see. I don't know if you guys can see. I'll bring it close to the camera right now so you guys can see. But where's it at? Right there. There's a little crack right there. See, there's actually that one right there. But that was the one that was leaking everywhere. So let's get this new one on here. Shit, did I just lose a hose clamp? I think I did. Yes, I did. Oh well, we can still put this on, you guys. Let's just swap these over. I'll put another hose clamp on. I got one over there somewhere. Oh, duh, it's right there in front of my face already, right there on the barb. Let's get that over here. So, you see how this is close here? A long time ago, there was actually the line here, but when I first got this car back in the 90s, I accidentally stripped this out right here. So they actually put another fitting on here because it was stripped out right here on this bolt when I was putting this big one in, because I took this big one off to change the fuel filter, but it stripped. And so anyways, just saying. But let me get there. So I put the hose clamp on, get it on, just get this fuel line on there, squeeze her on down all the way, get this hose clamp back over there. And it's over 100 and something degrees inside this garage too. Outside is like 104, so you already know how hot it is in here. So we got this one there, and then we'll just slide this other one on here. Whoops, hose clamp first. And always have these two facing the direction so you guys can actually get to them easily without them being under something, or where you can't even get to them. Always try to put them out there so they're accessible. So let's get this on here and finish this all up real fast. So I'm just gonna shove this on here and get this far down because they put stress on it last time. Should have just did that to begin with a long time ago. But yeah, okay. So we got a whole bunch right there. So I'm actually gonna put this way because I have a hose right here. Well, actually this is the braided hose, so. Okay, well, this is gonna be it, you guys. I'm just gonna tighten up this last hose clamp. Ding, I'm done. Fuck, it's really hot, you guys. Let's get this here. Fuck, man, it's really hot out here, dude. And that's pretty much it, you guys. So, got our hoses all done again. That's pretty much it, you guys. I'll talk to you guys later. Hogshead Channel TV. Make sure you guys check your hoses, especially if you haven't driven your cars in a long time. I got a video on the gas tank coming up. Hogshead Channel TV. Later.